Hello friends, welcome you all to again to the NCERT Learning Academy. Today we are going to do class 6 subject science, the chapter 2 components of food question answers. As we have completed the previous chapter or we have completed this chapter. There are 3 parts of the video. You can watch them. The playlist is on the I button. The question number 1, name the major nutrients in our food. So as per I tell you that there are lot of nutrients in our food and we have to write the major nutrients. So we have drawn it. So now I am going to tell you about the major nutrients. So major nutrients in our in our food is carbohydrates, the proteins, there are 6 fats, vitamins, minerals, and the dietary fibers. So there are 6 major nutrients in our food. First one carbohydrate, second one protein, third one fat, fourth vitamin, fifth mineral, sixth is dietary fiber. So learn them, it will come in your exam also. So the next question is name the following. A vitamin which mainly give energy to our nutrients which mainly give energy to our body is known as carbohydrate. I already tell you in my previous lectures videos. You should watch them and also subscribe my channel. The nutrients that are needed for our growth and maintenance. Okay, so these are those nutrients which are needed for growth and maintenance of our body. They are known as proteins and minerals. So write proteins and minerals. The C1 is a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. It is known as vitamin A. Okay, if you're in an exam, it will come that which vitamin is required for maintaining good eyesight. Many times children get confused in vitamins. So please learn the definitions of every vitamin. D is mineral that is required for keeping our bone healthy. That is calcium. Okay, calcium. So learn these all. Name the food each rich in fats, starch, dietary fiber and the proteins. So now let's come to this. The fat, the food that are rich in the fats, we have to write two food. So I'm just telling you the fats are cream and butter. So you will write, cream and butter. The B1, the second one is starch, which is known as rice, which has, I'm just giving us an example, there are lots, rice and wheat, okay. Dietary fiber, whole grain and raw vegetables, which is also known as cereals, okay. Raw vegetables are those vegetables which you do not cook and eat it without cooking. They have protein without cooking the foods. Okay, they have minerals and the vitamin and the protein and everything nutrients in them without cooking them. Okay, the protein is um, mainly found in milk and soya bean. Okay, mainly found in milk and soya bean. I'm just again writing it. And soya bean. Now let's come to the fourth question. Tick the statements that are correct. Okay, I'm just taking a green color. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutrients requirement for our body. No, this is absolutely incorrect. Why it's incorrect? We need many nutrients to cover our fulfill body requirement of. If we will eat rice every time, we have a loss of vitamins, the minerals, and the calcium, proteins, everything we have a loss. So rice can't be fulfill our nutrition requirement for our body. The B1 deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. I have told it in my previous video that a balanced diet should contain a variety of a food that has nutrients. So it's absolutely right. So the third one, so the C1 is balanced diet for our body should contain a variety of food items. It's sorry, it's really right. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to our body. It's wrong. Meat can provide us the vitamin, some vitamin it can provide, some protein it can provide, proteins. I'm just explaining this again because someone think, okay, so meat can only provide these two, okay, but not provide the others vitamin like A. I'm just writing it as in short form. A, okay, C, and there are lots of, you can say anything. And the cat, okay, there are lots of, okay. And question number 5, which is the last question. A. Dash is caused by due to deficiency of vitamin D. Okay, तो क्या कॉज होता है विटामिन डी की कमी से? The answer is rickets. ये एक डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज होती है. If you will not take the vitamin D in a variety, so you have the deficiency. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा पाया जाता है every year. B. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. I already tell you in the vitamin B there are 3 components and the vitamin B1 causes it. Vitamin B1. C. Deficiency of vitamin C causes due to vitamin causes a disease known as scurvy. And if you want to know the definition of these, that why they cause it, you should watch the videos. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A in our food. Okay, so this was the last question. Our chapter is completed now. Thank you. If you get to know a lot from the video, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a good day.